We actually ran into a few problems, okay? So when we pour this porch, we'll be able to butt up the stone that's going around the block foundation. When we are pouring the concrete, again, it serves as that barrier. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Today I'm out here with my dad again, and we are working on getting the front porch formed up for a concrete pour, and the back porch, we got to get that completed as well. And we might do a little bit of dirt work around the edges to get everything going, because when it rains here, the rain ends up kind of getting close to the foundation. We don't like that. It gets up real good. So we got to make sure we get all the dirt and everything going away so that all the water could flow off to the side of the house. My dad's here, so that means the work will go 3 times as fast than if I was here by myself doing it. We got everything we need. We're cutting up wood right now. We're getting this whole process underway, and we just got to keep moving because still waiting all different kind of things. You know, the supply chain still does suck because of what's going on in the world, but that's okay because we just got to keep moving and keep getting work done. I am happy with the progress of the house so far, but why not stop talking and get straight to work? So first things first, we actually ran into a few problems, okay? So we've had some people coming on the job site stealing, unfortunately. Someone actually came to my house and hit my front porch. I have no idea with what, maybe a trailer, maybe their truck. I have no idea. Maybe when they were stealing something, they were hitting my front porch. So my dad's actually fixing that right now before we can form up the front porch, because it did get the blocks a little bit out of level, and we don't want to do that and then in the future have issues and stuff like that. So we're fixing the problem. People have no common sense in this world. They think if it doesn't belong to them, they can just take it. So unfortunately, I'm dealing with people stealing from the job site right now, but it's okay. We'll catch those folks. We don't have to worry about that. God's gonna get his and I'm gonna get mine. So anyways, we're gonna get straight to work. My dad's working right now, so let me get some of this process. Alright y'all, so just to give you a little bit of information of what my dad's actually doing here. So he set these little 2 1x right here, so he's got them going all the way across. He actually stripped these down from regular 2x4s, and he's going out about 2.5 inches so that there's a lip across this block area. So when we pour this porch, we'll be able to butt up the stone that's going around the block foundation so it all comes up like really flush. So he's doing a great job right now knocking all this out. And then we're going to do that along this edge, we're going to do that along this edge, and then that third edge over there. And so when you actually pour that concrete slab right there, it's all going to be coming out to about right there. It's going to be nice, and we're going to polish the sides of that concrete so that when you do put all that stone along that foundation, it looks really nice. So we've got this one, we got to do the back porch as well, but we got to knock this one out real quick. And he got those blocks fixed, everything's all level, so let's get more progress. Alrighty, also right now we're adding this flashing across the entire bottom so that we protect the concrete and any water from what's underneath here, which is nothing but plywood, because we don't want this plywood rotting over the years. So my dad right now is taking out these staples from the door flashing so that we can actually apply it all the way across and it be nice and secured. And then we'll get this outside edge over there, the outside edge over here, and then it'll be ready for a full pour once we get the mesh down and the plastic and everything like that. So we're gonna keep moving. My dad's measuring right now. We're trying to get the elevation. Oh, I'm in the way of the laser. We're trying to get the elevation for where I want my actual little steps. So where you're gonna be stepping up into the house right there. So right now we're thinking it's gonna be a 5-inch step, so it's not too big. I don't like big steps at the front door because then you're always like feeling like it's strenuous. So we've got that figured out. He's got a couple marks. There it is. Got that right there. Boom. So we're getting closer. All this tedious stuff has to get done first before you can actually get to work. So I'm glad he's here. Finishing touches here. We've got all the 3 sides done, and I'll turn the camera on here in a second and show it to you so you can have a better view of what's going on. But my dad's an absolute beast. He's knocking it out. Let me turn it around for you. So as you can see, because we need this to be a 4-inch concrete slab that you're going to see from the exterior, we got these little pieces in here that are going to be good, and it's all going to tie into the middle so that it has strength once it's laying over that side, because it's actually going to come out 2 inches over this block right here. So he's putting in some support right there, of course. So you're 63 years old? Yeah. How old are you? 63? He's 63, I'm 28. He works harder than me. But yeah, we got it done. Uh-oh, dropped the level. And yeah, so check this out. A little bit further view for you right here. Everything's gonna be great. It's gonna be an awesome front porch. I cannot wait to see what this looks like once we're able to pour it. So big shout out to him, man, freaking beast. Alrighty folks, so I'm here in the back of the house. We gotta get the back porch formed as well. We gotta make that lip all the way across so that when we are pouring the concrete, again, it serves as that barrier so that we can have that nice back covered porch patio looking amazing. And then I'm gonna actually connect that to a back deck that's gonna come all the way out, probably 12 to 16 feet. I haven't really decided just yet, but I cannot wait to finally make those decisions and have this back deck out here and be able to watch the sunset and everything like that, because it is an absolute beautiful view. My dad's in the front cutting more boards, trying to get them the right size so we can keep moving here. We're gonna get this set up, and I'm actually gonna have to come back the next day to get this actually prepped inside with more gravel, getting everything done in that sense, because we're gonna run out of daylight today with some of the other things that we got to do with what time it is of the year. So anyways, we're gonna keep moving, we're gonna keep progressing, and I'm so grateful that he's here to help me out, because this is a lot harder when I'm by myself trying to figure it out by myself. So anyways, let's get back to work and get more progress. One more all the way across here. back here on the back porch, the covered porch, where I was working with my dad doing the garage slab and everything. Y'all saw that. So we're actually forming this back porch right here. We need a little bit more gravel. We've got the chalk line set. I'm actually gonna get this thing poured pretty soon here from when you're watching this video. So I'm excited to get this poured, the garage slab poured, and the front porch poured as well. We were able to set all those forms, those wooden forms and everything like that. So now we just got to make sure we finish up, get everything done, and just keep on moving, because we got to keep getting progress out here. So we're gonna keep working. Alrighty, y'all, we got everything placed, the plastic, the mesh. Check it out. Looks good. When Pops is here to help, everything goes smooth. Yes, sir. Everything's good to go. Gotta do that front porch inside, and then we're gonna be ready for a pour here soon, which is already scheduled, by the way. So with everything and how it's going, these schedules usually don't work out, but it's okay, because we're gonna be hoping that this one does work out. So it's construction, especially during this time. It's unreal. But anyways, we're gonna keep working, get the front porch done, and then we're gonna finish out this video. All right, y'all, we got it all done here. Looks really, really good. My dad helped out. We got the back porch done, front porch, garage slab is done. If you remember, obviously that was a while back, but that's done. We got it all with the all the boards and everything. Make sure it's all nice and set for when the guys come out. Now we got to load that up, throw that on his truck, and he takes everything off. He's like the hauler. But I'm excited with everything here shortly. I'm just happy with all the progress, because construction is crazy right now. I'll be honest with you, so many things are happening, and I just got to get through this thing so we can finally live in here. So let me load this up real quick, and then we will get back to this video. Mr. Nikolai, sir, we appreciate you. Right. Without you, this house is probably not getting built as quickly as possible. Oh, and randomly you see the windows, which is crazy because it's been flopping back and forth with all these different videos. So yeah, the windows are actually on the house, so that's pretty darn cool. If you didn't watch that video, make sure you check it out. But it's time to end out this video. Alrighty, y'all, so we are done with this video, and I'm excited with everything that's happening. We'll be able to pour all these different slabs here shortly. Hopefully the weather cooperates. It has been super rainy. As you can see, all the mud every time I'm driving around this Bobcat, but it is what it is. That's what it is. You get some good sun, you make sure the work keeps continuing, and you just keep on going. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all social platforms, especially TikTok, because it's so easy to edit, post, and just go on there very quickly and make more content. Make sure you check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab you some merch and use code Niko for 10% off your entire order. However, without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.